if you read about the Paper Mafia, so how all these heavy hitters who now run Silicon Valley, they used to be in PayPal together. And if you read about what the management process was like, was all about every single person has one priority, one, and no meetings can be had with anybody unless it's about their one priority. So it really helps to prioritize your shit if you know what's your one priority, and the priority can shift from week to week and week. And I think this priority management, I don't know how to spend my days. Like if you're unclear about priorities, and of course if you have priorities as in plural, also a problem. Another thing to do is scale through delegation. So I cannot scale myself. I mean, I could temporarily, I can put in more brute force hours, and sometimes I do. If there's a deadline, there's something, I brute force it. The occasional overnighter is still happening, rare, but sometimes. And so really is, if I have something that needs to get done, you ask like, who can do this for me? As opposed to how can I get it done? How can I do this? It's like, who can do this for me? And so outsourcing again, delegating and outsourcing. That's the way you can scale yourself. I can still maybe have 30 projects that I want to ship. And of course, my financial constraint is an issue, and that's how you prioritize. Okay, actually we can do 5, but time should not be a constraint unless you have no money.